Guys, you guys have requested this, and this is going to be a video on my animals. I'm not going to show you my cat because he's outside somewhere and I don't feel like stalking him, so yeah. Let's first show you this dog. He was a rescue. Hey Strauss! Come here! That's him. This is Gunner. Gunner, sit. 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 That's Gunner. This dog right here, he's a rescue too. His name is Jake. And this old hag right here, I'm gonna show you. That is Luke. He is a 13-year-old mastiff, English mastiff, and he is old, but he's still going. So that's him. These are all my animals. Well, that's all my dogs. So yeah, that's all my animals. And yeah, give me ideas because I'm bored.